Good morning. It's the day after Thanksgiving. This is my 87 Ford F-250. It's got 478,000 miles on it. 6.9 diesel. It's on a second engine. Second transmission, 4-corner 4-speed. I got to put a transfer case in it because the chain broke a couple weeks ago. I was out attempting to move shit like that tree back there and got a little too carried away and I popped the chain. The front wheel let go and then it caught again and then shocked to the drivetrain. Sucks. That's 3.5-inch exhaust. Straight pipe. All the way up to here anyway. Up to right there. It's half a glass pack. It's cut in half, wadding pulled out, welded together. I couldn't find anybody to make me one, so I made my own. Dana 44 front axle, which you should not have. Should have a 50 or a 60. Biggest piece of shit there is. I had to put 2 stub shafts in it last winter. It burns a little bit of oil. Has some issues, some dents, quite a bit of dents. But it was a farm truck when I bought it. I bought it for, I don't remember, $800. It was a cabin chassis. It had 2 Dodge rims on it, a Ford, and somebody managed to put a, not pay attention, they put a dually rim on the one side, so it was kind of gay looking. Or retarded, I should say. A bunch of water. It rained last night. So I figured I'd do a cold start for you guys. It's about 35 degrees out. It ain't bad. 8 new glow plugs as of 2 weeks ago. And there's, I don't know if you can see the mileage or not, but let's see what we can do. Well, like I said, it's about 35 volt. I got the glow plug bypass going on here. And I'll do it with no pedal. Needs new injectors. I know it needs a rebuild. I just put another motor in the damn thing. It ain't too bad. I'm part of the Ford Truck Enthusiast Club and oil burners, so my first diesel, and so far it looks pretty good, I think. Got some dents in it. Tach don't work, oil pressure gauge, mechanical. I got a mechanical water temperature gauge in it. Well, that's my truck, and thanks for watching.